Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to write an algebraic expression equation in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the equation option. Now we want to make expression equation. Select this bracket and write anything. Now otherwise you can select the summation option, or we can see here many equation. You can add any. Now I am select this bracket and write. Select the bracket, then click inside the bracket, then write anything. Now I am write 4 plus 5, then select the text, press Ctrl A and go to the home menu. Increase the font size. You can add another. Now we can see we write an algebraic expression equation in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.